Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to switch from desktop view to the mobile view on the Wix website editor. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. By default, you will be in the desktop view and you can see how your website appears on larger screens. However, to see how your website looks on mobile phones and ensures it's mobile friendly, all you have to do is click on the mobile icon located near the desktop view on the upper left corner of the editor. As easy as that, you can now see how your website adapts to smaller screens and how it will appear to mobile users. This allows you to make necessary adjustments and ensure your website looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.